Standard 10, English Medium, Maths, Chapter 6, Triangles, 11th lecture.
Standard 10, English Medium, Maths, Chapter number 6, Lecture number 11. Okay, lectures number 11. Exercise 6.3, example number 15. We have done up to example number 14. Now 15, a vertical pole of length 6 meter casts a shadow of 4 meter long on the ground, and at the same time a tower casts a shadow of 28 meter long. Find the height of the tower. Okay, so we have done draw the figure. Figure represents that AB height of a vertical pole 6 meter given. BC length of the shadow of pole 4 meter given. QR length of the shadow of pole is equal to 28 meter. Okay, PQ is equal to height of a tower that you want to find out. Okay, angle BCA and angle QRP is equal to angle of elevation of top of pole and top of tower measured at the same time. Why it is to same? Because suppose here is one rays are there. All rays of this one are parallel to each other. Okay, suppose one height of pole is here and another tower is here. Then this parallel this and this ground level becomes the transversal. Therefore, these angles and these angles are corresponding angles. Okay, so angle of elevation or angle of a top of a tower are the same. Okay, are the same. Get it? समझ पड़े? Because AC parallel QR and BC draw the ground level. BC is also ground level, QR also ground level. So these angles are same. We will study about this one in very detail in chapter number 9, height and distance. Height and distance. The name of chapter here he has given some applications of the trigonometry. Okay, some applications of the trigonometry. It is not necessary to draw this figure in exam, but it is for the explanations. Okay, now QR. So this, in short, these two angles are same. Angle B is equal to angle Q. Now in triangle ABC and PQR, ABC is equal to PQR is equal to 90. Pole and tower stand vertically on the ground. આપણે vertically રાખેલા છે. BCA QPR angle of elevations measured at the same time. By 1 also you can write here. By 1. Therefore, triangle ABC and PQR are similar triangles. By A criteria. A criterion. Okay, therefore AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR. Substitute the values and solve it. AB is equal to 6, PQ is equal to, you want to find BC is equal to 4 meter and that is your 28 meter. 6 upon PQ, 7 upon 28. So PQ is equal to cross multiply 28 into 6 divided by 7 4s are 40, 28, 7 6 are 42 meter is your answer. Is it clear? Now example number 16, that is the last example of this exercise number 6.3. Then we will see the theorems. 6.6. Okay. Exercise 6.3, example number 16. If AD and PM are medians of triangle ABC and PQR, respectively, where triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Prove that AB upon PQ is equal to AD upon PM. AD upon PM. First of all, AD and PM are medians of triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Okay, therefore BD is equal to 1 half BC and QM is equal to 1 half QR. This both the result number 1. Now you are given that triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Therefore, angle B is equal to angle C. Corresponding angles. Okay. Corresponding angles of similar triangles. Now, second things, AB upon BC is equal to AB upon BC is AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR. Dividing both the side by 1 half, this one, numerator, denominator, not both the sides. 1 half BC is equal to 1 half QR. Therefore, AB upon PQ is equal to, what is meant by 1 half AB is equal to BD, and what is meant by 1 half QR is equal to QM by 1. And also we have angle B is equal to angle C. Therefore, in triangle ABD and PQM, ABD and PQM, okay, in triangle ABD and PQM, PQ. What is AB upon PQ? AB upon PQ is equal to AB upon PQ is equal to BD upon QM. That is result number 1 by 1 by 2 by 2, and that is result number 2 by 2. And angle B is equal to angle Q. Angle B is equal to angle Q. Angle B is equal to Q, not C. B is equal to Q. Therefore, triangle ABD similar to triangle PQM by SAS criteria. Okay, very simple. हम जो है तो एकदम सिंपल है. AB B is equal to Q. AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR. DC upon QR is equal to 1 half DC 1 half QR. Therefore, 1 half DC is equal to BD QR. Therefore, AB upon PQ is equal to BD upon QR. Angle B is equal to Q. So, according to the SAS, both the triangles are similar. Therefore, AB upon PQ is equal to AD. AD upon PM. Therefore, AB upon PQ is equal to AD upon PM. Okay, got it? Next. Theorem number 6.6. That is the important theorem. Very IMP theorem. Either 6.1 or 6.6. આ બેમાંથી અલ્ટરનેટ એક પૂછાયા જ કરે. Is it clear? So learn it perfectly. આ તમે perfectly learn કરી લેજો. 6.1 6.6 આ બે થિયરમ્સ તમારા ટ્રાયંગલ્સ માંથી કાયમ ઓલ્ટરનેટ આવ્યા કરે. ઓકે, તો શું છે થિયરમ્સ તે પહેલા આપણે જોઈએ. The ratio of the areas of the two similar triangle is equal to the square. Be careful. Square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. Square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. Okay, that means area of triangle ABC and upon area of triangle PQR is equal to AB square upon PQ square is equal to BC square upon QR square is equal to AC square upon PR square. Okay, if triangle ABC is similar to PQR, then area of triangle ABC and PQR, be careful, area છે, area હોય તો સ્ક્વેર થાય. Is it clear? Similarly આપણે મૂળમાં ઉત્સાહમાં AB upon PQ કરી કાઢીએ એટલે આપણો સમ્સ ખોટો આવી જાય. AB square upon PQ square, BC square upon QR square, AC square upon PR square. Okay, so to find this proof, to find the area of this one, we require the altitude. Okay, area. So we will draw the altitude AM and PN. Draw the altitude AM and PN. That means that is your right angle. This one is your right angle. Area of triangle is equal to 1/2 base multiplied by altitude. Area of ABC is equal to 1/2 base means BC, altitude means AM. Area of ABC 1/2 BC into AC. Similarly, area of triangle PQR is equal to, that is symbolically written as, it is read as area of triangle PQR 1/2 QR into PM. QR into PM. Now 1 divided by 2. What is area of ABC upon area of TR? 1/2 BC AM, 1/2 QR AM, 1/2 cancel. BC upon A, BC into AM upon QR into PM. Now in triangle ABM and PQM, these two triangles are taken. ABM and with P and Q. D is equal to Q because ABC is similar to PQR, you are given. M is equal to N. M is equal to N, right angles, because AM is the altitude. Therefore ABN similar to triangle PQN. PQN by the AA criteria. Therefore AB upon PQ, AB upon PQ is equal to AM upon PN. Okay, AB upon PQ is equal to AM upon PN. Now triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Therefore AB upon PQ, BC upon QR, AC upon PR. Simple. Therefore area of ABC upon area of PQR is equal to BC upon AM, QN upon PN. We have taken the third. Result number third I have taken. Now that is I will write it again 6 by actually 1, 2 and 3. Okay, okay, chalo. By 4, 5 and 6. 4, 5 and 6. See here. Okay, AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR. but AB upon QR is equal to what? AM upon PM. Therefore, AM upon PM is equal to BC upon QR. Okay, BC upon QR, AM upon QR. I will put the value of AN upon PN is equal to BC upon QR. Therefore, area of triangle ABC is equal to BC square upon area of triangle PQR is equal to QR square. Similarly, we can other prove ABC upon PQR, AB square upon PQ square, AC square upon PR square, BC square upon QR square. That is this proof. Okay. 3 થી 4 વખત લખીને બરાબર લર્ન કરી કાઢજો. અહીંયા જો તો તમારે એક સ્ટેપ્સ વધારવું હોય તો વધારી દેજો. હા, which steps you will want to write it? AB upon BC upon PQR, but AB upon BC upon QR is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AM upon PN. AM upon PN is equal to BC upon QR, right? चलो, અને એ સ્ટેપ પછી તમે અહીંયા આગળ AM upon PN માટે BC upon QM. Here I have written, so this one you can do. It is not necessary actually, right? તમે આ 4, 5, 6 લખેલો છે એટલે તમારું ચાલો. ચાલો, once again. Triangle ABC is similar to PQR. Area of ABC upon PQR is equal to AB square upon PQ square. So on, draw the altitude AM and PM. So area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to 1/2 BC into AM upon 1/2 QR into PN. 1/2 would give AM into BC is equal to PN upon QR. Okay. Now in triangle ABMB is equal to Q, corresponding angles of a similar triangle M is equal to N, right angle. Therefore, ABM and PQN are similar. Therefore, AB upon PQ is equal to AM upon PM, but AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR. Therefore, BC upon QR is equal to AM upon PN. આ બધું આ બોલતો છું. AB upon AM, ABCQ, AB upon PQ, BC upon QR. By 4, 5 and 6 directly લખી દો તો પણ ચાલશે. Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR, BC upon QR into BC upon QR. Therefore, area of ABC upon area of PQR, BC square upon QR square. Similarly, we can prove this one other ratio also. Okay. એક કે બે વખત જોઈને વ્યવસ્થિત લખી કાઢો, પછી ટ્રાય કરો લખવાની 2, 3 જ્યાં સુધી સાચો નહીં લખાય ત્યાં લગી લખા કરજો. After 3 or 4 times you can learn properly. Okay.